Based on your request, I have compiled a due diligence report for Verizon Communications, VZ. The available information covers several key areas, but a complete analysis of all 20 points you specified is not possible as some data is missing from the search results. Below is a detailed report with verified data on the aspects for which reliable information was available. For the areas not covered here, I will suggest methods for you to find the required data. Verizon Communications, VZ Stock Due Diligence Report. This report synthesizes data from financial platforms and regulatory filings to provide an overview of Verizon's investment profile. 1. Company Overview. Business model and industry position. Verizon is the largest wireless carrier in the U.S., serving approximately 146 million subscribers as of December 2024. It operates through two main segments, the Verizon Consumer Group, VCG, and the Verizon Business Group, VBG, providing wireless and wireline communications, data, video, and internet services. Management team. The leadership team is considered experienced, with an average tenure of 2.5 years. Chairman and CEO, Hans Vestberg. Executive VP and CFO, Tony Skiadas. Key competitors. Major competitors include T-Mobile US Inc. and AT&T Inc., as well as other telecom and technology companies. 2. Financial health. Verizon demonstrates solid financial performance with some leverage concerns. Key metrics are summarized in the table below. Metric value as of November 2025. Details: market cap 168.02 B. Revenue TTM 137.49 B. Trailing 12 months. Net income TTM 19.84 B. Profit margin 14.43%. Operating cash flow TTM 38.46 B. Levered free cash flow TTM 15.38 B. Total debt MRQ 175.26 B. Debt to equity MRQ 164, 80% high but manageable for capital-intensive industry. Current ratio MRQ 0.74 suggests potential short-term liquidity strain. Return on equity TTM 19.88%. 3. Valuation metrics. Verizon's current valuation appears modest compared to the market. Key metrics are shown in the table below. Metric value as of November 2025. Trailing PE ratio 8.54, forward PE ratio 8.31, PEG-E ratio 5 WAR expected 1.93, price to book PB ratio 1.61, price to sales PS ratio 1.23, enterprise value EBITDA 6.49. 4. Growth potential and innovation market position. Verizon is focusing on its 5G and AI-driven strategies to maintain leadership. The company has a funnel of over $1 billion in opportunities related to its AI Connect strategy. Strategic advantage. The company's extensive network infrastructure and ongoing investments in 5G ultra-wideband are key competitive strengths. 5. Risk factors. Verizon's risk profile is categorized as follows. Legal and regulatory, 24%. Faces regulatory scrutiny from the FCC and other bodies. Ongoing litigation, including patent disputes and lawsuits related to lead-sheathed cables, and potential impacts from changing tax laws. Macro and political, 24%. Operations are susceptible to U.S. and international economic downturns and inflationary pressures. Production, 18%. Risks related to service delivery and network operations. 6. Dividends and shareholder returns. Verizon is a significant dividend payer, which is a key attraction for investors. Forward annual dividend yield 6.93%. Trailing annual dividend yield 6.80%. Payout ratio 58.05%. This is a sustainable level, indicating the dividend is well covered by earnings. Latest ex-dividend date, October 10, 2025. 7. Market sentiment and ownership analyst view. Verizon is often viewed as a counter-cyclical stock, providing stability during economic downturns due to the essential nature of its services. Institutional ownership. Approximately 68.17% of shares are held by institutions. Insider ownership. Very low, at about 0.04%. 8. Corporate governance and labor board of directors. The board is experienced with an average tenure of 5.1 years. Labor relations. There is ongoing unionization activity within the company and its partners, such as the Communications Workers of America, CWA. This could potentially impact future labor costs and operational stability. 9. Tax and Accounting Effective Income Tax Rate. The effective income tax rate, EITR, was 21.9% in 2024, down from a peak of 28.8% in 2023. Deferred taxes. The company has a significant net deferred tax liability, which has been increasing, standing at $46,583 billion in 2024. Areas needing further research. The following areas you asked about were not covered in the search results I obtained. To complete your due diligence, you can investigate these points. Technical analysis. Use platforms like TradingView to analyze price charts, moving averages, and momentum indicators. Supply chain exposure. Look for information in Verizon's annual reports, 10K, or dedicated supply chain analysis reports. ESG sustainability. Check ratings from specialized providers like MSCI, Sustainalytics, or Verizon's own ESG reports. Customer base and churn rate. This data is sometimes found in investor presentations or quarterly earnings supplements. Insider trading trends. The SEC's EDGAR database is the primary source for Forms 3, 4, and 5, which detail insider transactions. M&A activity and innovation moat. A review of Verizon's SEC filings, 10K and 8K, will detail its acquisition history and strategic investments. How to find missing information. For the most accurate and complete data, I recommend you consult official SEC filings, access Verizon's latest annual report, 10K, and quarterly reports, 10Q, via the SEC's EDGAR database. This is the most reliable source for detailed financial and risk data. Use financial terminals. If you have access, platforms like Bloomberg or Reuters offer comprehensive data sets, including analyst reports and ownership details. Check specialized ESG platforms. Websites like MSCI or Sustainalytics provide in-depth environmental, social, and governance ratings and reports. I hope this report provides a solid foundation for your investment research. If you would like me to attempt a more focused analysis on any of the sections above, please let me know.